Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Well, we are going to review Smart Gold Scalper today. However, we have created a video last week also, but the reason that I'm creating the video this week that due to some reasons, actually we were providing the investor ID and password also for a limited time, but some of the people are misusing it. So just want to update you that please don't fall in prey of any other people. And secondly, I will be providing you my FX book link for this expert advisor, so you can track the performance and nobody else can use it. Okay, and so since we are creating the video, so let's do it. And one more reason, I just want to show you that how the expert advisor has performed yesterday when the interest rate decision was happened. And if you see, if I bring you closer, so this was so much, if you can see, from 3706 3707 till 2746 3646, right? So it was a spike on the down and the up both. Okay, and how the EA has performed during these moments, I would like to update you on this as well. Okay, anyways, this is the Gold Expert Advisor Smart Gold Scalper, and the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 50,000 cents, that is $500 US. However, we always recommend to put a bit higher on your account, 100k or above cents. That would be better. That would be 1,000 US dollar. Okay, so we started with 100k. However, our previous account was also there where we started with 50k. Let me just show you that as well. If you can see this account, this was a previous account that we have created earlier video. So okay, that this one we started with 50k. Okay, but still we do not recommend to trade with 50k. We suggest to trade with 100k, and this is on 100k. Okay, so let's start from here. I will try to move it a little faster, just because I do not want to create the video very longer. However, you can check all this history. I will be providing you my FX book link in the video description. This is a trial account. We were trading on the previous account, what I just showed you, from 50k, and then actually we were working on some other things while we put this expert advisor into one trial account, because the gold movement was very much, if you can see, like it's almost very much vertical. Okay, so we just wanted to see that how the EA is being performing in these kind of situations. And one of the big moment that happened yesterday about the interest rate, that is one of the reason that I'm creating this video today. And the second reason is now onwards I'm not providing that. Generally we do not provide investor ID and password because people used to misuse them, and it's been happening again. So that is the reason we will be providing the MyFX book link till we run this account. So this Friday, today is Thursday, 18th of September. This Friday it would be 11 weeks. Okay, so 11 weeks, almost 2.5 months. Not exactly 2.5 months. It would be, if we see, like from 5th of May, July in fact, or I just forgot actually. 5th of July. 5th of July we started, and today is 18th of September on this particular account. So everything I'm showing you from start. Okay, I'm not skipping any trade, but I just have to do it a little faster, just because there are, I would say, thousands of trades in a day, maybe 500 to 300 to 400 or maybe 500 trades in a day. So it would be difficult to show each and every trade. So that is the reason we have created the MyFX book link, and you can just check on the history over there. This expert advisor often use higher lot size that can be considered as a martingale, but this is a smart gold scalper. It is not an ordinary expert an ordinary expert advisor. It has managed to sustain in the forex market for since we started testing it from last year in December till April and May. It was managed to sustain in each kind of situations. And then later on, from May onwards, we started creating the video on one of the account, right, that I just showed you earlier, and then we stopped that account in August. However, we put this account on trial earlier since July. Just wanted to see how these things are being performing while we are working on some other things. Okay, so it's not like that the minimum is 50k or 100k. It is something like it will run even on 1000 cents. Okay, but that is not going to sustain in forex market, because this is but this expert advisor is a scalper which used to monetize the very small movements of gold. So in certain situations there could be many trades, right, and a small account would not able to hold that kind of trade, and if such kind of spike happens, most of the account will be washed out. I've been very honest, like I would have said that we could have traded with less than 50k or maybe 50k also and I will show you that account also that was also able to sustain in these kind of situations. But still, I would suggest and advise to trade with 100k US cents, that is 1000 US dollar or maybe more. I'm using the page down button right now, so that is the reason it is so super fast. Otherwise the arrow, the downward arrow key will not work that great. Okay, so now I think it's almost done. So you can see that how many trades this EA used to open in a single day. This is only 16th, right? Let me do it a little faster. Okay, so the gain, the absolute gain was is 48,809, and the running trades right now is these. Okay, these are the running trades right now, and let me show you the previous account also. Like this is just like the video that I created, and this is available in YouTube. Okay, this is 50k that we started from 5th of May, and let me just go through at the end. Okay, I think like if you can see it over here, from 50k we managed like 63,380, right? 63,380 I'm not sure if you are able to see it. It is 50k to 63,380. Okay, so this is what happened from 5th of May till 8th of August. And similarly, this account, 2.5 months almost, from 100k to 48,809. And now let's see its MyFX book. So this is the MyFX book. Okay, and you can see the growth graph, the balance graph, the profit graph, and the drawdown graph. Okay, and still the drawdown is 15.52. However, still like we would say that the drawdown could be a little higher sometimes. So and on 50k probably the drawdown, like if you can just multiply it by 2, could have been around 30% or something. But still we do not recommend 50k because gold is such a thing that can ruin your account anytime. So better put a good balance over there. So I will put this MyFX book link in the video description. Okay, so in July we made 7.70, and in August we made 12.12. In September it's already at 23.20%. Okay, so that all depends upon the volatility and how the market is trending. In the consolidated market or in a range market, probably it will not be able to provide good profits. It is a trial account, I have already mentioned. Okay, so this is about Smart Gold Scalper. If you have any query about this expert advisor, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned my email and Telegram in the video description. And if you would like to see the Smart Gold Scalper, the previous videos, you can check out the playlist that is in the video description, and also other expert advisor videos in the playlist, like One Shot Expert Advisor, where there will be stop loss and take profit and target and trading stop. There is a playlist as well. So feel free to check all those playlists. And if you have any query about any of those expert advisors, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I would be happy to assist. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. For now, thank you very much.